Hey there, I encountered a glitch, I think, with QuickTime. I was having a hard time saving it after I did editing. Yesterday I discovered there are a lot of editing functions within QuickTime that are really nice. The Command T lets you trim your video, which is nice. Um, then you can also, if you have one clip and want to add another one to the end, you can edit and add a clip to the end, and you can throw on additional video files over here. But once I got done with my editing, my problem was with the save function or even export. I was having a hard time saving it once I did my edits, and I tried multiple times these couple different ways. I forget if I was doing save or export as, but I know I was encountering problems, and perhaps you are too. So here's the trick I learned for a workaround. Once I did my edits, let's say I do Command T, and I want to trim this video and trim it to where the Spotify comes in. So I do that, hit trim. Now it gives it a new name, and I want to save that. So the trick is to go to this upload button, and you can send it right to your photos as an edited version. And it did it. Now let's go over to my photos. Let's see. Go to my photos. Where are my photos? I think the window collapsed. Let's see. There they are. Here it is, right here. Double click. And there's my movie as it was edited, starting with the Spotify. Well, I hope this is helpful for you, and feel free to leave comments if this is helpful. I'm curious if I'm the only one who encountered this glitch with saving in QuickTime. Perhaps it's the version of QuickTime I have. Perhaps it's the operating system. And let me answer those questions. QuickTime Player version 10.4, operating system 10.13.6. All right. Hope this is helpful, my friends. I'll see you later.